If you believe boating is more than a hobby, more than a Sunday on the water, if you believe being out on the water fuels your excitement and feeds your soul, then you see it the way we see it. Because we're not just people who make boat covers and accessories. At Carver, we craft exceptional products to make life on the water more enjoyable for everyone through quality materials, craftsmanship, and durability, all made right here in America. Carver Industries, because you can judge a boat by its cover. Located in Landrum, South Carolina, Carver Industries is an industry leader in boat covers and bimini tops with over 30 years experience fabricating products that withstand the rigors of boating. Our products are available through local marine dealers and internet retailers, with distribution throughout the U.S., Canada, the Caribbean, and Europe. We manufacture all of our boat covers, tops, and specialty canvas here in the U.S. By constructing our products in our state-of-the-art manufacturing facility, we're able to better ensure the quality and promptness of each and every item that carries the Carver name. We've watched competitors move manufacturing offshore, sacrificing quality in order to build a cheaper product. Carver Industries chooses a different path. We choose to be a leader. At Carver Industries, we don't strive to build the least expensive product. We strive to build a quality product at a very competitive price, backed by excellent customer service. Carver Industries. We know fit, we know quality, we know service. Because you can judge a boat by its cover.